Alright fellas, so this is just a little quick preview. About 3 weeks ago or so, maybe a little bit more, I installed the alternator from a 99 Nissan Quest. Here's this is the 60 amp one that would typically go on the early 90s D21. I got this one to replace the stock 50 amp alternator that typically goes on this truck, but I got this 60 amp one so that I could run all the AC components that I installed on this truck. But I upgraded even further and again did this Quest alternator. It's 125 amp. I rigged up, let's see if I can get this light. I rigged up, it's tough to see, but I rigged up a bracket, a really basic bracket, and it's holding so far. Basically, this is the stock alternate or tensioner bracket for this truck, and I kind of rigged this one up, but the metal is way too thick, so I couldn't use it. So I got thinner metal and rigged up another one. It was I don't know, maybe an inch longer than this one, but even though it's working fine, this basic design that's in there, there's no room to adjust, to make any adjustments, because it's stretched as far as the belt will go. So at some point the belt will want to stretch. It's just gonna happen no matter what. So, and there's no room to make adjustments for that stretchiness, or that stretching. So I got this tensioner bracket from CVF Racing, and they are the same guys. Let me grab this light. That's the same company. That is the same. Whoops. That is the same company that designs the brackets, pulleys, and belts for the small block and other engines as well. Again, they're called CVF Racing, I believe. But these brackets, sorry, I'm all over the place with the light. But these are used to adjust the belts, the tension on the belts, and it's literally the perfect thing to replace that bracket that I rigged up. This is much better quality, sturdier, more professional looking. I might have to get a longer belt, because the one here and that's installed right now, I think it's like 36 point something inches. I do have some older belts that are stretched. I might be able to use those instead, but we'll see. But regardless, over the weekend I'll go over, because you do have to do a little bit of modifying on the Quest alternator to get all this rigged up. Got to do a little bit of cutting, drilling, making the mounting holes that are on the underside of the alternator. You got to make them bigger, and got to get longer bolts, that sort of thing. But it's actually easy. It's not that bad. once I, get all that set up, hopefully over the weekend, I'll also include links to, I found at least 2 pages of different versions of doing the same mod or the same install, just different ways of doing it. One is installing this type of tensioner bracket. The other is essentially rigging up your own, which again is what's in there. Again, it's like super basic. There's like nothing technical or extravagant about it. It's crazy basic, but again, that design doesn't allow you to make any further adjustments. But then again, anyway, I don't want to make this longer than it already is. And again, it's just a preview. And hopefully this weekend I'll be able to get this bad boy fully installed and go through all the details, so that way you guys can follow along. And if you want to do the same install, at least you'll have options, because there's never just one way to do something. There's different ways, and everyone's got different awesome ideas. And again, these aren't my ideas. These are things that have already been done before by other D21 owners. So, but again, I'll hopefully be able to go through all this process over the weekend, and I'll see you.